Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Warning: to avoid personal injury and damage to the product, use extreme care not to puncture, twist, or crack the battery. An internal puncture or rupture to the battery has the potential to cause a short, which may result in a thermal event. Removal: remove the 4 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the top cover. While supporting the battery with both hands, carefully lift the rear edge of the battery to disconnect it from the system board. Then slide the tabs on the front edge of the cutouts in the top cover and remove. Replacement: while supporting the battery with both hands, place the tabs on the front edge of the battery into the cutouts on the top cover and lower it onto its connector on the system board. Replace the 4 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the top cover.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.